Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have another gift guide for you today, and this is one that I've actually been struggling with. Every year, I feel like it just gets harder and harder to figure out what to buy my parents or my in-laws or grandparents or just those people on your list that you feel like they have everything. What could I possibly get the person that has everything? If you have someone like that on your list, this is the video for you. I have a very random but great array of products here. I'll have everything linked down below so it's easy to shop. They should all be pretty fast shipping too. That's something I wanted to keep in mind. If you're new to my channel, I've put up a couple other gift guides this year, a men's gift guide and a women's gift guide, so make sure to check those out as well. Everyone on your list is covered. Over on Instagram, I've put together a ton more like super specific gift guide, baby, kid, girl, boy, the fitness lover, like just anything you can imagine. It's over there on Instagram as well. So let's go ahead and get started. By the way, if you're new to my channel, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I make new videos every week. And don't forget to check out my vlog channel. We have been doing 12 days of Vlogmas over there, which is a video every other day leading up till Christmas. So check that out. Catch up on those vlogs. Super festive, cozy, fun, Christmassy vlogs. So let's get started with gift number one. So first up, we have these from the brand With Co. I believe they're actually a Tennessee brand. Yeah, they're a Tennessee brand. So they're sold at a lot of like local stores here in Nashville. And Michael and I were curious about them one day, like a few months ago. We picked one up and now we buy them all the time in different flavors. They're really great if you want to make a cocktail at home that tastes like bar worthy or just like a really good cocktail at home, but it's super simple. So the brand is With Co. Basically, these little containers make you 32 cocktails, and it's just like a different type of cocktail, and you add in your liquor or whatever mix-ins you want at home. So this one is the old fashioned. It has orange, Madagascar vanilla, and bitters. And it says you just add in your liquor, bourbon, whiskey, or tequila, add ice, stir, and garnish with an orange peel, and you have your old fashioned. This is the one you really like, right?
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah, this one's really good. And then my favorite, this is such an easy way to make a margarita at home if you're doing like taco night or nachos or something, or you just love a good margarita like I do. This is the agave margarita. It has lime, agave, and orange, and you add your tequila, mezcal, or soda water, stir it up, garnish with the lime. Perfect. So easy. Once you open them, you just store it in the fridge, but it just like could not be any more simple. If you have someone that's kind of getting into making their own cocktails at home, I feel like this would be a great, easy gift. So one of my big things is kind of putting together a themed gift or like a little gift basket. So if you were gonna buy someone this, or like this could be a great like couples gift or whatever, but I think a matching set of glasses would be really pretty with it. I found these whiskey glasses. It comes in a set of 6, and I just thought they were so beautiful. They would look gorgeous on your shelf if you have like an open shelf or a bar cart or just a little bar in your home and you wanted to display these. They are beautiful, great little whiskey glasses for old fashions or whatever you want to put in here, but I just think they're really beautiful glasses. They just look so pretty to me. So a set of 6, then you could do also the ice cube trays. I got this as a gift for Michael and my dad last year, I believe, or the year before. Like I've definitely got both of them, one of these in the past. It's just a great way to elevate your drink at home. It's like those big circular ice cubes. You can do a square one too. I've seen those all around, but super easy, but it really elevates your at-home drink. Also would be a great hostess gift as well. So I get a lot of questions about my wine glasses. I have a set here of 4. I wanted to show you. These are really beautiful. I just love this shape. I think it's so unique. I'll try to do a close-up or like a better picture if you can't see, because obviously it's clear. But they just have a really unique like flat bottom. I just think, again, this looks really beautiful on your bar cart, wherever. Anytime I show my wine glasses, I have a few sets that look similar to this. I get questions on them, so I will link these down below. Beautiful if you're doing like a little mixed drink and you want to display it, or of course if you're having like a glass of wine. So beautiful. And then you could get someone like your favorite bottle of wine. That'd be a great hostess gift. Next up, I am really excited about this gift. This is from Rode and it's called the Vlogger Kit. So Rode is a really well-known, highly respected brand for microphones. The microphone that I use all the time on all of my cameras. I love them. I actually talk about them in my course. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I also have a course where I help up and coming content creators build their business. And I talk so highly about Rode. And they came out with this vlogger kit. Where was this in 2011 when I started my channel? There's so many amazing things for up and coming creators now. I think anyone on your list that loves to document their life would absolutely love this. Honestly, I could see my mom using this for work. She has to do a lot of video calls and record videos and stuff. So she would love this because you can actually just plug your phone in. You don't need a separate camera. It's so easy. If you have parents or grandparents that are traveling and maybe taking photos or videos of their trip, this would be so fun. Or of course, anyone you know that has a YouTube channel or they want to start one, or a TikTok, like anything like that where they are creating content and they want it to be easier and kind of on the go on your phone. So it's really nice. It has a little tripod that you can attach your phone into, a little light because good lighting is always important, and a little microphone so you have good sound, and it elevates the quality of the video on your phone. So the vlogger kit, I just think this is so cool. It comes with a couple other things in here too, a little smart grip, the clip, the windshield for the microphone, some diffusers and filters, and the cable. So honestly, this thing is genius. I love it. Really cool. Next up, a candle is always a beautiful gift, but I have been really into diffusers over the past few years. There's so many great ones on the market right now. So I just picked up this one that has the LED changing light as well. I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So here's what this one looks like. There are so many beautiful ones. I think this one looks very spa-like, very serene and peaceful. I love the white with the wooden base. It has the different lights that you can change. So really nice. You just add in your water and then whatever essential oils you want to use. Actually, I had one here that I wanted to show you and now I all of a sudden can't find it, but I'll insert a clip here. This is the essential oil that I have going throughout my house all the time. So long story short, this is based off a fragrance that Michael and I both love. It's called Santal 33 from Le Labo. It's a scent that Michael has worn for years. It's just like, it's the best scent. It reminds you of like a hotel lobby that's just really luxurious. And that's what I want my house to smell like a beautiful hotel. So anyways, he wears this fragrance all the time and they came out with it in a candle and we love the candle, and then a couple other brands came out with it in a candle and we love that, and then we found the diffuser oil. So I think the brand is Aroma. It's called Santal. You put a few drops in, it lasts forever, makes your house smell amazing. Every time we do it, people come in, they're like, what's going on? What's that smell? What is that? I need it. I'm buying it right now. And they like pull it up on their phone and buy it immediately because it just makes your whole house smell like an expensive hotel lobby. Who doesn't want that? A great gift. So the diffuser and the oil, I believe this brand has a couple other great scents. I haven't tried them. I always stick to the Santal. That's what we love. I'll go ahead and link the candle that we get down below too. I actually have it sitting over there. I don't know if you can see it. It's like Maison Louis Marie or something. It's a pretty affordable candle. So depending on what you like, a candle or diffuser, they both smell incredible and they'd be a great gift. My next product I wanted to talk about is Simply Safe. They have actually partnered with me on this portion of today's video. This is something that Michael and I are both really big believers in, is having security on your home, especially as parents and as frequent travelers. It just makes us feel safe knowing that our home is being looked after even when we're not here. It just makes us feel so much more comfortable. So we personally love Simply Safe because it's just really easy to use, but it's a great system. So this is the home base. This is kind of like your alarm. So if something goes off, this is where you would hear the alarm. They also have an app. So if you're not home, you can easily see what's going on with your home from the app. And then this is the camera. So it's like a doorbell camera. What I really love about this also is the sleek design. It's really just sleek, minimal, blends in with your decor. It's not like distracting or anything. So you're getting that security, but you're not having like this big bulky thing in your home. Another great thing about this is it's a DIY install. So you don't have to have someone come to the house and set it up and take time away from whatever else you're doing. You can set this up yourself, super easy DIY. Another reason why I think it'd be a great gift is you could help set it up for your parents or grandparents or whoever you want to provide this protection for. It's such like a meaningful, thoughtful gift, and it's something that we've always like encouraged our parents to get all the time too. So I personally love Simply Safe. So what I recommend is the Haven. This is going to include that base station, but it's also going to have 4 entry sensors, 1 panic button, like you could keep next to your bed or something if you needed it, 1 temperature sensor, 1 key fob, 1 keypad, 2 motion sensors, 1 smoke detector, 1 water sensor, 1 wireless siren. So it's literally everything you need, but you could also customize your package depending on your house and what your family needs. So definitely check out that link down below for you or a gift. It's something really thoughtful and meaningful that I know everyone on your list would really appreciate. I personally think you cannot go wrong with a cozy pair of slippers. These ones are great because they're cute. I love a leopard print, but they have the little grippy bottom, so you're not gonna like slip and slide. You can wear them, you know, all around the house or in the bathroom, whatever. These are from Barefoot Dreams. So if you guys have anything from Barefoot Dreams, their robes or their blankets, then you would know the softness is out of this world. So cozy, so luxurious, such a little luxury to receive. I love all of their pieces. So honestly, anything from them would be a great gift. My sister actually got me the baby blanket when I had Rocco, and it's become his favorite blanket because it's just so soft and cozy. I have one of their robes that I buy for people for gifts all the time, that I wear all the time. The blankets, like, their whole line is great for gifts. I've talked about them for years and years, but I always think a slipper is really nice, and you can kind of do that themed gift as well. The slippers with a face mask or some eye patches, maybe the bottle of wine. That'd be a fun little self-care cozy gift idea. Now, for that person in your life that is a planner or that always gets excited for the new year, or someone that loves to write, I always think a fresh new notebook or a planner is such a thoughtful gift, especially because it's like you're always going into the new year after the holidays, and it's nice to just kind of have a fresh slate. I'm someone that loves to write things down, so I always love, like, something that my mom gets me often, or my sister, is like a fresh notebook and a really beautiful pen. It's something that I can never have too many fresh notebooks. I don't know what it is. If you know, you know the feeling of like cracking open a fresh notebook. But I love getting it for my mom or sister too. And I know they always appreciate like a really beautiful notebook with a really nice pen. And it's just an easy gift. Like, this would also be great for like a teacher or just someone that you're like, you don't know exactly what to get them. Everyone can always use a nice pen and a beautiful notebook. So I love this. The pink one's nice. It has the little bookmark and the little string so you can mark your page 2 different ways, but this is great. Next up, we have this vacuum from Shark. It's called the Rocket Pet Edition. Here's why I like this. I have the Dyson vacuums, and I really like them. However, I just prefer a corded vacuum because I want to be able to do the whole house without the thing dying on me. So I love that this is sleek and slim and kind of easy to get in those little places. It's not heavy, so you can go up the stairs or go on like your curtains or whatever you need to do. It's lightweight, but it's plugged in. So for me, the battery life thing has just been an issue. So I personally prefer one that you just plug in. It's just easier for me. It's not that big a deal. So I love this one, the Shark Rocket Pet. My dog sheds like crazy, so I need something that can pick up pet hair because I am like particular about the pet hair on the rugs, on the back of the couch. We have white couches. My dog has red hair, so it shows up all the time. So I love something that's specifically for pet hair. Easy to use, lightweight. You can like detach it so you have that little like handheld one too. I'll link this below. But it's one of those gifts that I know a lot of people have on their list, but it's one of those things you just don't want to splurge on yourself. But it's such a nice gift, especially for a couple or for like an engaged couple, maybe they're getting married soon, or someone that just moved out, got their own apartment, just moved in with someone. It's kind of like one of those great gifts to get someone like for the home. So love this. All right, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will have links to everything down below. Don't forget to check out my other gift guides, the women's gift guide and the men's gift guide. If you want something more specific, head on over to my Instagram. There's tons of gift guides over there. I always love being like your guide to making the holidays easier. So thank you so much for supporting my channel this holiday season. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys over on my vlog channel where we're doing 12 days of Vlogmas. Bye.